Hello everyone and welcome to the Trident. Yesterday Nubia finally officially announced the Red Magic 8 series. We were anticipating these devices from quite a long, but today we are finally checking out one of these, and this time it is the latest Red Magic 8 Pro Plus. There are two variants, the Vanilla Pro version and the Pro Plus version. This is the Pro Plus version as well as a special edition that is known as Deuterium Transparent Edition. The box of the device contains some documentation, a regular case, the handset, as well as a whopping 165-watt charger right inside the box and a Type-C cable. In a time when many companies are opting to omit chargers from the retail boxes, Nubia has shown consideration for their customers by including a fast charger with the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus. This 165-watt charger is probably the fastest charger to be included in a retail box to date. We appreciate Nubia's attention to customer convenience and value. Upon first glance, it is clear that the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus is a visually stunning device that is sure to impress even non-gamer users. The phone boasts a 6.8-inch straight screen with no holes or notch and impressively narrow bezels measuring only 1.48mm on the left and right sides. The screen specifications include a Full HD Plus resolution, a refresh rate of 120Hz, a color gamut covering 100% of DCI-P3. Additionally, the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus boasts an ultra-high full-screen touch sampling rate of 960Hz, the highest level currently available in terms of control response speed. But that's not all. The phone screen also features UDC Magix Display Full Screen 4.0 technology, making it industry's first flexible OLED straight screen to support off-screen cameras. Yes, the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus achieves this feat by hiding the front camera and various front sensors under the screen, resulting in a stunning screen-to-body ratio and a flawless screen display. When it comes to the design, the phone comes with a consistent hardcore aesthetic with a few notable updates. The body this time is tough, boxy and a very regular design we can see here, creating a sharp and simple visual experience. The frame is made of lightweight, strong aviation aluminum and treated with anodizing and spraying process, resulting in a smooth touch. Additionally, the frame is slightly raised above the screen to offer protection against accidental drops. Overall, the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus exhibits a boxy, tough and sharp-edged design. One of the main drawbacks of many gaming phones is their heavy weight, which can be cumbersome to hold and use for extended periods of time. In contrast, the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus is a lightweight option, weighing only 228 grams despite being fully loaded. The body is also thin, measuring only 8.9mm in thickness, making it not only lighter than previous generation Red Magic flagship, but also easier to hold and control with one hand compared to 240 grams iPhone 14 Pro Max. This special Deuterium Transparent Edition has a large area, full-through air duct and high-speed RGB-enabled centrifugal fan that you can see here, creating a sense of depth and space, enhancing the transparent effect. The edition also includes Kelvin texture. Over the back, the device features a vertically stacked triple camera setup and the company's branding and logo. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC that is paired with up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 internal storage, and that is for the top-end model, and there are some lower models too. The phone offers a unique gaming experience with its signature touch shoulder button, dual X-axis vibration motors and additional shortcut keys. These features provide a realistic vibration for in-game actions such as gunshots and collisions. It also has a quite good VSync cooling technology that the company is claiming to be the best on any phone. We have already uploaded a video on its heating test, so you can check that out in our videos list. The phone emphasizes audio and visual quality in gaming with features such as large stereo speakers and a 3.5mm headphone jack. It also supports Snapdragon Bluetooth technology, enabling for high-resolution Bluetooth audio transmission with compatible TWS headsets for enhanced sound quality. The phone features a 5000 mAh of battery, but its charging rate is just insane, supporting a 165-watt fast charging. The brand claims that users can charge from 0% to 100% in just 14 minutes on the 8 Pro Plus model, although as per actual testing it takes 5 minutes to reach 36%, 15 minutes for 84% and finally 19 minutes to get fully charged. Speaking of cameras, there are 3 on the back. The primary shooter has a 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN5 sensor. There are also an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. But the shooting experience is not important for a gaming handset. Here are some samples. Overall, the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus is an exceptional mobile phone in terms of performance, featuring a top-of-the-line completely bezel-less full-screen display, fast charging and a long battery life. It is a perfect choice for users who want a stylish and high-performing phone for gaming. Among the many gaming phones available, the Red Magic 8 Pro Plus stands out as a top choice. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel to get more content like this, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.